Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to download Facebook video in your device. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First of all, open the Facebook application on your mobile phone. Then go to the video that you want to download. I'm opening a random video. After opening the video, you will see this share icon on the bottom right hand side. So tap on it. Then you will see these options here. So simply tap on copy link. Now the video link is copied, so close Facebook and open any browser. Search here download Facebook video. Then you will see the SnapSave website to download Facebook video. So click on this link, or you can also open any other trusted website. After that, paste the copied link here, tap on download and you will see different resolutions to download the video. I am downloading in 720p HD. You can see it's downloaded. And this is how you can download Facebook videos in your device.